Hello there everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to talk about the new sets. It's called set 21327, the typewriter. This will have 2079 pieces and this is pretty cool. I'm not going to say I'm a huge fan of this, but I'm not a big fan of this. So I mean, it looks cool. It's cool that you can push different buttons on this machine, but I mean, I don't really like it that much. So I mean, that's just my honest opinion, and I have no idea why Holly aka Potterminifact can talk about this thing for like 5 minutes or something. I just don't really like it. I mean, it's cool, but oh well. Anyway, I think it's okay. So ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed this small little Lego news video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you later. Goodbye everyone.